Hey class 8, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, here we start our day with our new thought. So our today new thought is difficulties are not obstacles. They are stepping stones towards success. Keep moving forward with courage. So today we are doing here chapter 2, DAB Maths class 8, worksheet 2, question number 1, question number 2 and question number 3. So let's begin with question number 1. Here our question number 1 is find the cube root of the following by the prime factorization method. In this question we have to find the cube root by prime factorization method. Let's begin with our first part. Our first part is 5832. Here first part is 5832. Now we have to find the cube root of this. Now I write here, this is the sign of cube root. I write here 5832. Now we can do the prime factorization of this. I write here 5832. Here at ones place it is 2, so it is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12 here. Again 6 at the ones place, even number, again divided by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10 and 2 8s are 16. Again 8 divisible by 2, even number, divisible by 2, 2 7s are 14, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. Then 729, 9, 10, 11, 11 plus 7. 18 and 18 is divisible by 3. Divisibility rule of a 3, that is 3 2s are 6, 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Then again 4 plus 3 7, 8 9. 9 is divisible by 3. Some of these numbers are divisible by 3. 3 81s are 243. 8 plus 1 9, again divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Here 1 is our remainder, so we stop here. Now we calculate the cube root of this question is equal to, I write the prime factorization of this. 1 2 3, 2 3 times 1 2 3 here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 6 times 1 2 3 4 5 6. Now this 2 forms a triplet here. This 3 forms a triplet here. Again this 3 forms a triplet here. Is equal to, now from triplet I write only one number. 2 multiply from this triplet 3 I write only one number. From this triplet 3 I write only one number. Is equal to 2 3 is 6 and 6 3s are 18. Here 18 is our answer. This question consists 4 parts, but we can do only first part. All rest of parts are similar to this first one. All are doing by the prime factorization method. Now move to the question number 2. Our question number 2 is find the cube root of the following integers. In this we have to find the cube root of these given numbers. So let's do. Our first part is minus 1728. In this question we are also doing only our first part. All these are similar to this first one. Question number 2, first part. I write here, our question number 2 is find the cube root of the following integer. First part is minus 1728. In this question we have to find the cube root of this given integer. So I write here, this is the symbol of cube root. 1728. Here 3. This is minus 1728. Now this minus come outside from the inside. Now I also write it as minus here outside, then 3 and 1028 here, like this way. I also write it as in this way. So now I have to do the prime factorization of this 1728. Here I write 1728. Here 8 is a even number, divisible by 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 12, 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Again 4 at the ones place, divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. Again divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 2 6s are 12. Again divisible by 2, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Again divisible by 2, 2 5s are 10, 2 4s are 8. Again divisible by 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 7s are 14. 7 plus 2, 9. Here 7 is a odd number. So it is divisible by 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. It is divisible by 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now we have to stop here. Here 1 is our remainder. So here I write the prime factorization of this. So I write here this minus 3 here. 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 3 times 1 2 3. Now this 2 form a triplet here. This 2 also form a triplet here. This 3 also form a triplet here. Now from this triplet I have to write only one number from here. This minus I write here minus. From here I write only one number. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by, from this triplet I write here 3. 2 2 is a 4, 4 is a 12 and this minus also I write here minus 12. This is our answer of this question. It have also 4 parts but all rest of parts are similar to this first one. So let's move to our question number 3. Now this is our question number 3. Evaluate this first part, cube root 8 multiplied by 125. This it have a 3 parts but we also do one part from here. So we can do here our question number 3 second part. From these 3 parts we can do this second part and all of these 2 are same to this one. Now I write here question number 3 second part and our second part is cube root 3375 multiplied by minus 729. Now we can solve this by the prime factorization method. We also write it as this cube root 3375 multiplied by again cube root 729. Here this minus I write outside, then minus, then write 3. This minus I write outside from the square root. I also write it as like this. So now we can start with our prime factorization. Let's do. I write here 3375. We can do the prime factorization of this. Here 5 is an odd number. 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 3 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 is divisible by 3. 1 1 2 5. Then 5 6 7 8 9 again divisible by 3. 375. 12 13 14 15 again divisible by 3. 125. Then 5 at the ones place divisible by 5. 5 25s are 125. Then 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. Now we have to do the prime factorization of 729. Here 9 is a odd number. This is divisible by 3. 243. Now 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 8 plus 1 9 divisible by 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Now at the place of this I write the prime factorization of this number, and at the place of this I write the prime factorization of this number. So here I write is equal to, then cube root. Here I write 3. The prime factorization of this is 3 times 3 and 3 times 5. 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. Then the symbol of this multiply, again I write here cube root. Cube root 3 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 times 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6. But also remember that here minus sign is also there. So we write this is in bracket. So this form a triplet here, this form also triplet here, this form a triplet here, this also form a triplet here. So from here I write only 3, from here I write only 5, multiply by, I write here only one number 3 but of minus. Then multiply from these 3, I write only one number from here 3 is equal to 3 5 is 15 multiply by minus 3 multiply by 3 minus 9 and 5 9s are 45, 4 is a carry here, 9 ones are 9, 9 plus 4 is 13 and here minus is also there. So minus 135 is our answer. So that's all in today's video.